Hey, this is D. Watkins with Brown Girls Invest 2. I am making this video to send out a thank you to Alam from Finding Alam on TikTok. Alam made a wonderful video, kind of just giving her, sharing her experiences with our consultation. I appreciate your words. Thank you so much.
Brown Girls Invest 2. This is a channel and friend that I have actually consulted with to help me invest. And since consulting with her on my investments, I consulted with her in January of this year, and my investments have gone up by like 20% already. So I recommend these people because I have actually used the information that they offer. And this is the kind of information people don't take action on, but I really recommend that people actually take an active role in whatever their retirement looks like. If you have a 401k at your job or an IRA, you have to take action and do something. Don't just put your money there and walk away. Brown Girls Invest 2 is going to be speaking at a summit August 10th and 11th, and I highly recommend that you look into that. There is a link in my bio, and she has a wealth of information. I am a subscriber on her Patreon, and she's always dropping tidbits of like stock details and things. And of course, you have to be informed when you take information, but it's good to be connected to someone who is really dialed into the market, and someone who actually doesn't want you to lose money. And so she's very careful about the kind of information that she shares. She is not trying to sell you anything, but she is trying to help brown girls invest.
That was completely unsolicited. I say again, thank you, Alam, for your kind words, and thank you for sharing your experience of consulting with me. If any of you are interested in booking a consultation, I will leave my contact information in the description of this video. You can also visit my website, browngirlsinvest2.com, to set up a one-on-one session, and we'll see if we can find ways to better your financials and see if we can get you on the right path or a better path. Hope you guys are having a great one. Now I'm going to, again, thank my new subscribers. I want to say thank you to all of the new TikTok followers that I have and that have actually jumped on over to my main presence in YouTube. My YouTube channel is Brown Girls Invest 2. I hope that, first of all, again, thank you all for joining. I will become more present on TikTok. For those of you that have not already tried, jump on over to YouTube, look at some of my videos. I think the information that I have there may be very helpful to you all. Just to introduce myself, I am D. Watkins. I am a long-term investor. I also day trade. I'm trading now. Forget the trading part. Investing long-term is actually what got me to financial freedom. I retired 5.5 years ago at the age of 49 by investing in real estate and the stock market. Investing in long-term good companies is what got me to financial freedom. I said financial freedom, not financial independence. I reached that a while ago. Financial freedom is actually what really solidified where I don't have to work if I don't want to. I do just to help other people build their savings, build their wealth. If you have not already, if you have not started investing, please do. If you are investing, start to become more serious about it. Building your wealth, getting your money right is the great equalizer. It is not find a good job, work that good job with the good benefits, and work really hard and you'll be able to be okay. No, that's not it. Educating yourself in your money is what will get you there. Again, thank you guys for joining. Stick with me, hang in there, and I'm going to help you build your money.